To fix a washing machine that won't start, several potential issues should be considered. The power cord may not be connected to electricity or could be damaged. Additionally, the lid switch or door switch may have debris preventing proper closure. Or the washer fuse may be blown. To resolve the issue, start by checking the washing machine's power cord to ensure it is connected to the electricity outlet and inspect it for any physical damage. If the cord is damaged, replace it. Next, examine the lid switch for any blockages, such as detergent residue, and clean it with a cotton swab dipped in distilled white vinegar if necessary. If the lid switch is damaged, it will need to be replaced. For top-load washers, the lid switch must be closed correctly for the machine to activate. For front-load washers, follow the same steps to check the door switch for debris or damage. And clean the locking area with a cotton swab dipped in alcohol if necessary. If the door switch is damaged, it should be replaced. Another potential issue is a blown fuse, which can be found in the device control panel, located at the back of top-load washers and at the front of front-load washers. If the fuse has blown, replace it with a new one. After checking and addressing these potential issues, verify that the problem is resolved. By following these simple steps, a washing machine that won't start can be easily fixed.